or perpetual. Pero last season, number 3 sila sa blocking. At ngayon, solid din yung mga blocking nila at the net. And that's another point for Letran. That was a 5-0 start para sa Letran. Martin, cross court.
Actually, Anton, medyo mahirap yung mga ganung break bola kasi medyo dikit na siya sa net. Pero yung adjustment na ginawa ni Martin, laking bagay nun.
Yet Martin. That was a good play. O mapas.
Yes. Effective na yun yung mga play na ginagawa nitong EAC. Kaya medyo nahihirapan nitong Letran basahin yung mga attacks nila.
Magaluna. Sharp serve. Silva, wow. A rare misreceive by Silva. Lut. Reyes. Makilang. Back set. Judiel. Now EAC showing some good coverage. Martin. Estrelier. Netura. Wow, okay. EAC now going to work but unable to attack. Silva to Gia, who breaks down the wall.
Wow, ganda nung naging defense ng EAC. Mukhang nag-a-adjust sila dun sa mga attacks na meron dito sa Letran.
Lara to Gia. Silva to Makilang. Estrelier, back set na naman para kay Netura. One more time for Netura, going down the line. Regalo para kay Martin.
Martin.
Lut. Estrelier. Lut, this time goes to Almazan. Silva was there. Back row by Netura. Razonable breaks down the wall.
Good adjustment.
Yun yung isa sa mga bihirang pangyayari na nabagsakan sa harap si Lara May.
Yes. Actually, yung defense pattern nila, sobrang effective.
Razonable, good strong serve. But great effort by Estrelier. Lut. Almazan. Makilang. Estrelier na naman. Buhay pa ang bola. Almazan breaks down the wall. Jump serve. Silva. Ledesma. Almazan.
That is inside by Kat.
Oh, a wild toss to the other side. Netura. Pwede pa to. Ball goes way back to the Letran side. Combination play.
Wow, nakikita ko naman yung mga stare down. Ito ni Netura.
Ayan na naman siya. Pero that was made possible because of the combination play. Ang daming umabante sa net each time para sa mga Letranista. Si Kat Almazan talaga yung tinatarget nila as Reyes scores.
Wow, mukhang may lumalaban ng stare down dito sa EAC. As you can see.
Ayun o.
Yes.
Ayun o.
May pag-ikot pa.
Sharp serve. Almazan. Estrelier. Netura. Pwede pa to. Back set. Judiel. Reyes.
Oh.
Yun talaga yung move niya.
Yes.
Razonable. Over the white band as Coach Rod Palmero requested. Makilang over the net. Even though 0-2 ang EAC, Hindi basta-basta bibigay yan.
Yeah.
It's 22, serving 24.
Almazan just over the white band. Makilang. Business as usual. Puntos na naman para kay Gia. And the super rookie of Letran, the beach volleyball champion and MVP, gives the first set to the Lady Knights. At magbabalik po kami para sa set number 2. This is your NCAA Season 99 New Heroes of the Game. Number 2 of Letran versus EAC, Anton Rojas working alongside Shola Alvarez on the panel. And we have Lizelle Nieves at courtside. Makilang, cross court. Back row, Reyes!
Woo! May pagtigil pa siya ng konti doon.
Today, as of right now, nakakalima na.
Nakakalima na.
Cross court for Judiel. Almazan saving it. Martin. Martin na naman. Cross court. Almazan was ready and steady. Reyes. Almazan keeps it alive. Free ball mapupunta sa Letran. Estrelier. Martin finishes the play. Jump serve for Razonable. Ledesma to Martin. Almazan. Check ball.
Good play.
Pero first time to, Shola, triple block
Yes.
in the match. Medyo maluwag nga lang.
Maluwag, yes.
Pero yung triple block,
Hanggang ngayon, ako, pinag-aaralan ko yung ganun eh. Na nahihirapan pa rin ako. Good thing merong ganong improvement kay Almazan.
balikan kaya siya? Oo! Yun ang nakita ko. I don't know lang kung nakuna ng camera yun. Pero pwede maging ano yun eh. GIF.
Yes. Ang ganda. Kita niya na kinubutas dun sa zone 1.
Eh, no?
Kasi every point niya, talagang may stare down eh. Wow! Ganda ng play na yon. May magandang laban yon.
Oo. Estrelier, back set. Nitura na naman.
Mas kita ni Nitura na maliit lang yung blocker niya dito sa line.
Gia, if they get a good receive, and if she gets the ball, yes, she does! And you love to see it na batang player natututo,
Yes.
nagre-respond agad sa instruction ng coach. Kasi sinabi ni coach, tignan mo yung depensa. Kung anong bibigay nila, if it's 2, use it.
Yes.
Pag 2 blockers daw, use it. And Makilang responding and following the instructions of Coach Oliver Almadro. And that is why they are on top now, 2 sets to none.
And now leads the match, 2 sets to none.
Yung kakaibang service style ni Judiel. Geno Mapas with a kill.
Good attack from Omapas. There.
Razonable gives a point for EAC.
Yeah.
Sa San Andres, una natin nakita yun eh.
Yes.
And then in this game, pangalawang beses, di ba? Makilang. Ayan na siya.
Gia Makilang.
Another check ball for Makilang. Kanina niya pa pinipilit basagin itong blockers ng EAC.
Tsaka kay Gia talaga niya pinadaan ng
Yes.
bola as we see this hit by Nat
To
Estranier.
play by Nat.
The setter attacker. Laking advantage talaga na lefty siya kasi mas madali for her na makakuha ng puntos. And the form, kahit ako feeling ko malilito ako.
Oh, lefty. Sharp serve by Estranier. Oh! Good play by Ann Formento. Si Cuñada. Busy si Chuck sa stats.
Constant.
Wow! Almazan with a point. Estranier choosing Martin. And Almazan ties the match up at 22-all.
Wow, the celebration
We're now inside the
dito para sa
22
EAC.
Kanina, lamang na po ng 5 ang mga letranista. The Emilians coming all the way back. So
Good thing.
EAC,
Good thing na nasa harap nila si Almazan.
Ledesma trying to stop the EAC run. Martin. Ayaw pa rin. Almazan
Oh!
gets EAC to set point. From the Lady Knights this season, Estranier. Martin breaks down the wall.
Mas nilakasan ni Martin itong atake niya. Kasi kanina pa siya nabablock. And good adjustment for her.
Timeout, Lady Generals.
Nakabawi. Timeout, Coach Ron. Pas, sabi niya may tiwala ako sa'yo maski ano mangyari. Oh, hindi binigay kay Jen. Binigay kay Kat Almazan. But they couldn't get the proper first ball. So they had to change the play. Martin, cross court. Formento, back to Almazan. And Almazan breaks down the wall.
Yeah! Yun yung sinasabi ko, Anton, kanina na nasa harap si Almazan. And siya yung mas may malakas na loob umatake talaga para dito sa EAC.
And EAC deals Letran their first loss in a set
The Lady Knights
for the whole
lead the match,
season
2 sets to 1.
with an emphatic 25-23 win in set number 3.
Lahat ng attackers niya kasi pinapagana niya.
Estranier. Martin popped up from the back row. Outside. Omapas with the point.
And also umapas.
Yeah.
Kasi late na rin siya pinasok kanina. Pero ngayon, malaki na rin yung puntos na binibigay niya para dito sa EAC.
Wow, single block by De La Cruz, by Ledesma. 3 points in the match para kay Jaja Villena. Hiningi na ni Angge.
Angelique Ledesma.
Nasa momentum ngayon. Si Ledesma. And yung connection talaga nila ni...
Gia Makilang, another sharp ace or serve, but defended by Cordial. Estranier. Martin!
Kanina pa yung mga check ball niya.
Bigat.
Yes. Dito kay Formento, kanina pa yung pa-check ball niya eh. And kita niya din kasi na hindi ganun makuha niya ng puntos.
Martin again. Razonable was there. Almazan stops the bleeding for EAC.
Almazan.
Strong attack from Almazan.
Estrelier. EAC was not ready for her.
Now, Estrelier.
Free ball for Letran. Estrelier. Martin. Too much spice on that spike. Hindi pwedeng puro forma lang. Puro angas lang. Makilang. Formento, back set o mapas. Estrelier. Nitura. Wow. Pwede pa.
Julian Ventura.
Grabe. Sayang, save doon.
Lady Generals.
Inabol talaga eh.
Yes. Sayang kasi yung momentum.
Ano ba naman yan?
Formento to Villena. Makilang cross court. Silva delivering it to Nitura with another drop ball. Estrelier. Nitura against 3 blockers.
Julian
Pinalakpakan pa.
Talagang pinanindigan niya. Pinanindigan niya na yung mga stare down niya.
George Lute.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Tumataas yung kumpiyansa kapag nag-stare down eh.
Yun yung gusto eh. Yung nasa-challenge siya.
Yes.
AJ Yap. Combination play. Yap. Tossing it up to Makilang.
Gia Makilang.
So that's the first excellent set mula kay Yap.
Good attack.
Lady Knights is now at
From
match
Makilang.
point.
Ano okay din siya sa serve
Serve yun.
And she gets an ace.
It's the point for the Lady Knights.
Congratulations to AJ Yap. Si Coach O talaga.
Yeah.
Timing talaga yung pagpasok niya. Debut. Di siya naglaro nung first 2 matches ng Letran.
And ang gandang exposure yon for Yap.
All players from both teams.
Naalala ko tuloy nung bago si Michelle Cup, may ganyan din siyang moment eh. Yung bigla siyang daming aces. Anyway, Letran winning this by 4 sets, in 4 sets.